Oh, hi, okay, sorry. I just got off work, so I was just flipping my nose ring down. Quick vlog, I guess. I'm gonna try and start vlogging more. But yeah, my best friend, Griff, she is very talented, and she has this character, Griff. Her name is Katie, but she goes by Griff, which is her, OC's name, original character's name. And, anyways, I asked if she would make me, like, a good luck charm or something to hang from my rearview mirror in my car. And so she, made me a little Griff charm, and I'm going to show it to you now. So, this is it. That's what Griff looks like. He is part barn owl, part cat. And then on the back there's a little heart. Anyways, I like to rub his little tail for good luck before I drive anywhere, or just if I'm feeling kind of crappy, I rub his tail. And it's pretty cool actually, because last night I was driving home from work and I was at a red light and I rubbed his tail, and immediately after the light changed green, and I just thought that was the coolest thing ever. But yeah, I don't know, I really like it, and I love him actually. He is so adorable, and yeah, I love you, Katie. Thank you for making me him, and yeah, that's it. Okay. Bye.